morning. Myself K. Nikhil, Class 7 from JNV Krishna Veleru School. Today I made a poster. Do you know every year October 10th is celebrated as World Mental Health Day. Don't ignore your mental health. It is important. Your mental health is as important as your physical health. Mental health is important to live a positive and healthy life, to achieve success and to build confidence. So develop your mental health. Thank you one and all.
My name is I. Sauraj Sandesh Babu, 7th class, Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Veleru, Krishna District, Andhra Pradesh. I am making one poster. The poster name is World Mental Health Day. Thank you.
My name is Abhishek. I am studying in Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya in Veleru. Section A, roll number 8, class 7. I make poster making World Mental Health Day, October 10th, 2021, celebrated. In this picture, we will see the two hands and one human head and a brain. Thank you.
I was very shy person to confront, but after I started singing, it boosted my self-confidence and esteem. తేనెల తీతల మాటలతో మనరేసమాతని కులచెదమా భావం భాగ్యం కూర్చుకొని ఇక జీవనయానమిచ్చేయుదమా. It is a great way of learning both new skills and gaining self-confidence. Let us move to painting. Painting also produces a relaxing, open environment where artists feel safe to explore their own creativity. Painting also boosts people to reach new levels of skills. Thank you, one and all.
Hi, my name is Surekha of class 11 from JNV Krishna. Giving, caring, sharing is my topic. The common saying, sharing is caring. The importance of giving is prevalent across the globe, and this small term has an immense meaning. Giving, caring, sharing is a pathway towards balanced success. This also balances our mental well-being. This blends high trust qualities, best relation practices and techniques to create dynamic and energized career. This gives us a sense of goodness, strengthens personal values and spreads love. Giving something we have to others, then the pleasure receptors in our brain glow up. Endorphins release, giving us a rush of happiness. The hormone oxytocin is released, lowering stress levels and make us feel more connected. Caring towards our friends, parents, animals, kids and nature is a vital role of every being. To make a difference in someone's life, we need not to be beautiful, rich or perfect. We just have to care. Sharing. Happiness is something that multiplies when it's divided. Holo says, happiness doesn't exist in grabbing things, but in sharing it with people who matter. So I can conclude that these are beneficial tasks that can be performed by everyone. Thank you.
This is Hemlata of class 11 from JNV Krishna, and my topic is time management. Time management is an act of planning our time which is being spent on various activities in our day-to-day life. It's very essential to utilize the time in a proper manner because time is very precious and it cannot be retrieved once lost away. The good time management leads to increased efficiency and productivity of the work done, and also helps us to work in a smarter way instead of working harder, and enables us to produce more work in less amount of time. Proper time management reduces stress, which is the main problem people across the globe are facing today. Proper time management includes setting our goals correctly, prioritize wisely based on the urgency of the work, and we have to organize ourselves according to the situation and work, and breaks in between tasks to stay focused and motivated. And the main reason, time management is one of the main factors to get success in our life. So we all should understand the importance of time and make good use of it. Thank you.